Your Epson printer's print quality not what it used to be? It might be time to clean the print head. In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to restore that perfect print quality in just a few simple steps. Let's get started.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, you need to turn off the printer and do a manual nozzle check. To do this, press and hold the power button and the cancel button at the same time until the printer turns on. Once it's on, release the power button and then press and hold the cancel button for 10 seconds. Now, you will see that the manual nozzle check is successfully printed. From this nozzle check, we can identify which colors are having issues and need cleaning. We will clean those colors accordingly. In the second step, you need to open the scanner or the cover of the printer to access the printer head and remove it. It's not a difficult task, just pay close attention to the video. Be very careful not to damage the printer head or the ribbons. Remove any obstacles to easily access the printer head. Move the head unit to the center. Now remove the dampers from the head unit. Remove the ribbons from the head unit. Be careful not to cause any issues with the dampers or ribbons. Now you can easily remove the head. After removing it, it's time to clean it. In the third step, you need a large syringe, some warm water, and some antiseptic solution. In a small container, mix warm water with antiseptic solution, then draw it into the syringe. Now, insert the syringe into the nozzles of the head and push the plunger to force out the colors and debris that are affecting print quality. Clean the nozzles that are clogged. For example, in this head, the red, black, and blue nozzles had issues, while the yellow nozzle did not need cleaning. For this task, you need 2 people, one to hold the head firmly and the other to pump the syringe. You will see the clogged colors and debris coming out of the head. In the final step, let the printer head dry completely after cleaning. Placing it under the sun is ideal for faster drying. After the head is completely dry, place it back into the printer and close the covers. Once the printer is fully assembled, perform another nozzle check to see if the print quality issue has been resolved. Good luck, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.